I'm Shelly Turner with the Builderall team. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use tags inside your email when you're using the email campaign editor. So I'm in the Mailing Boss dashboard. I'm going to go to Campaigns, Email Sequence. I'm going to choose Manage Campaigns. I'm going to choose my very first email. I'm going to make sure it's paused first, and then I'm going to click the Update icon. I'm going to click Save and Next, and Save and Next. And now I'm inside my email campaign editor, and we're going to look at the available tags that we have for this email sequence. And right here we have a hyperlink that says available tags. If I click that, that tells me all of the tags that are available inside this email. Now I can go ahead and click and drag and copy that tag and then close this window, and I can put that tag anywhere inside the email. So I can put an extra line there and then paste that tag in there. So as you can see, it says unsubscribe URL. That means that will put the unsubscribe URL inside that area. I can also choose to delete it, and everything goes back the way it was. So let's go back down and we'll see available tags. And I'm going to look for the name of the individual. So I'm looking for the first name, which is usually F name. I'm going to highlight it and hit copy. And then I'm going to close my window, and I'll go all the way up to the top, and I can say right here, hello, and then paste that F name and then put a comma. And now when the recipient of this email looks at this email, it will have their first name automatically put into that email. So that's how you use tags inside your emails in the email editor in Mailing Boss.